This orange loaf cake fills your kitchen with the most amazing citrus aroma while baking. Hi everyone, today's recipe is a light, tender orange loaf cake that's perfect for everyday baking. In a bowl, take 1½ cup wheat flour, 1/4 cup milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a half teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything together. This cake gets its flavor from fresh oranges. We need 1 cup fresh orange juice for this recipe. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup powdered sugar and half cup melted ghee until smooth. Add the prepared orange juice. Now add the dry ingredients. Mix everything together. You can add a little water until the batter flows easily. To enhance the flavor and color, I am adding a little orange zest and a small amount of food color. Transfer the batter to the prepared tin and level the top. Tap the tin lightly to remove air bubbles. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes on microwave convection mode. You can bake it in OTG as well. Bake until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Our fresh orange cake is ready. Let the cake rest for a few minutes before removing it from the tin. Soft, moist and evenly baked, exactly what a good loaf cake should look like. This cake is great on its own with tea or coffee. This is what you are looking for, a soft, even crumb with a natural citrus color. The flavor gets even better after a few hours as everything settles. If you enjoy simple bakery style cakes like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you like your loaf cakes, plain, glazed or with fruit. Try it and you will not regret.